A blend door actuator is a small electric motor that plays a crucial role in your vehicle's heating and air conditioning system. This compact component controls the blend doors inside your HVAC system. The actuator regulates the mixing of hot and cold air to achieve your desired cabin temperature. It positions the blend door at precise angles to control how much hot air from the heater core mixes with cold air from the evaporator. When blend door actuators fail, you'll notice several telltale symptoms. These include inconsistent temperature control, clicking or grinding noises from your dashboard, and air that only blows hot or cold with no temperature variation. Resetting the actuator can often resolve these issues without needing a full replacement, saving you both money and time. Professional replacement can cost between $200 to $600, while a reset procedure costs nothing and takes just minutes. As of 2025, blend door actuator failures affect 15 to 20% of cars over 5 years old, making this a very common problem. The automotive industry is moving towards self-calibrating systems, but for many existing vehicles, a manual or electronic reset remains the first step in troubleshooting HVAC problems. Now, we'll walk through the complete 5-step process to reset your blend door actuator. Each step is important for a successful reset. Step 1 is preparation. First, turn off your vehicle completely and remove the key. This ensures the system powers down safely. Wait 10 to 15 minutes for the system to fully power down. This allows the climate control module to reset completely. Next, locate the HVAC fuse in your vehicle's fuse box. It's typically labeled as HVAC, climate, or AC. Step 2 is the fuse reset method. Remove the HVAC fuse for exactly 30 seconds. This clears the climate control module's memory. After 30 seconds, reinstall the fuse firmly. Make sure it's properly seated to ensure good electrical connection. Step 3 is manual calibration. Start your vehicle without touching any climate controls. This allows the system to initialize properly. Turn the climate control to the coldest setting and wait 2 minutes. This calibrates the cold end of the actuator's range. Then gradually move to the hottest setting and wait another 2 minutes. This calibrates the hot end of the range. Finally, return to a moderate temperature setting. This completes the manual calibration process. Step 4 is the electronic reset if your vehicle is equipped with this feature. Access your vehicle's diagnostic menu through the infotainment system. Navigate to HVAC calibration settings and follow your manufacturer's specific reset procedures. Each brand may have slightly different steps. Step 5 is verification and testing. Test all temperature settings across the full range to ensure proper operation. Check both driver and passenger zones if you have dual zone climate control. Make sure both sides respond correctly. Listen carefully for any unusual noises during operation. Clicking or grinding sounds may indicate the actuator still needs professional attention. If problems persist after completing all 5 steps, it's time to seek professional help. The actuator may need replacement rather than just a reset.